The Cable Impedance Interactive Calculator helps engineers determine electrical impedance characteristics for cable systems. Let's look at the input fields. First, select your calculation mode from the drop-down menu. You can choose Calculate Total Impedance, Calculate DC Resistance, Calculate Inductive Reactance, Calculate Capacitive Reactance, Calculate Voltage Drop, or Calculate Power Loss. For this demo, we're using Calculate Total Impedance. Now enter your parameters: resistivity in ohm meters, cable length in meters, cross-sectional area in square meters, and optionally, your AWG size. Then input frequency in hertz, inductance per length in henries per meter, and capacitance per length in farads per meter. You'll also need resistance in ohms, inductive reactance, capacitive reactance, current in amperes, source voltage in volts, and power factor between 0 and 1. Using our test values with 100 meters of cable at 60 Hz frequency and 50 amperes current, the calculator returns DC resistance of 0.168,000 ohms, inductive reactance of 0.015080 ohms, and capacitive reactance of 265.258 ohms. The total impedance calculates to 265.2432 on 2 ohms, with an impedance angle of negative 89.96 degrees, indicating a highly capacitive circuit. This tool streamlines complex impedance calculations for your electrical engineering projects. Find the link in the description below.